In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a saved payment method from your Mailchimp account. Whether you're reorganizing your financial information, updating payment methods, or simply maintaining your account's security, learning how to manage your payment details is an essential skill. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. This is the necessary first step as you need access to your account's settings to manage your payment methods. If you haven't already done this, simply go to the Mailchimp website and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. It's always a good practice to ensure your login details are safe and secure. So keep your password confidential and enable two-step authentication if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Account section. You'll find this option usually towards the top of the page. This section is your control panel for all things related to your Mailchimp account settings. So getting familiar with it can be quite useful for managing various aspects of your account in the future. After reaching the Account section, look for either Billing or Payments. Depending on the version of your dashboard, these options can sometimes be under different labels, but generally they direct you to the same area concerning your financial and payment details. You'll need to click on this to view the list of payment methods you've previously used or saved. Now that you're in the right place, scroll through to locate the payment method you wish to remove. Take a moment to double check the details, as you want to ensure that you're removing the correct payment information. This is particularly important if you have multiple cards or bank accounts linked to your Mailchimp account. Once you've identified the payment method to remove, you'll see an option next to it labeled Remove or Delete. Simply click on this option. It's an intuitive step, but one that requires precision, so be sure to select the correct payment method. After clicking Remove or Delete, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. This step acts as a safeguard to prevent accidental deletion of essential payment information. Carefully review the details for accuracy, and once you're confident in your choice, go ahead and confirm the removal. By following these steps, you'll have successfully removed the saved payment method from your Mailchimp account. It's a process that not only helps in managing your payment details, but also in enhancing the security and organization of your financial accounts. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.